Hey there, outdoor cooking aficionados. Ready to sizzle up some serious fun? Well, get your taste buds primed and your spatulas ready because we're about to embark on an epic journey through the sizzling world of outdoor griddles. Join us on a journey through the tantalizing aromas and mouth-watering flavors that only Outdoor Griddles can deliver. Whether you're a seasoned grill master or a newbie to the outdoor cooking scene, there's something here for everyone to enjoy. Discover the warmth of gathering around a blazing griddle, flipping pancakes on a lazy Sunday morning, or searing juicy burgers on a balmy summer evening. It's all about creating unforgettable memories and delicious meals with family and friends. I have listed my top picks for the best outdoor griddles of 2024, so you can take your outdoor cooking game to the next level. And hey, don't worry about breaking the bank, because links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. So what are you waiting for? Let's fire up those griddles and get cooking. Number 5. Cuisinart CGG501. It's my top choice for the best portable outdoor cooking solution. Made of stainless steel, this bad boy is durable and ready for action. With 2 stainless steel burners churning out 20,000 BTUs, you'll have plenty of power to cook up a storm. The 285 square inch cooking surface is perfect for whipping up all your favorite meals. Plus, it's super easy to set up and break down, no tools required. And get this, it's designed to work with a 20 pounds LP tank, so you can grill for longer without worrying about running out of gas. Perfect for outdoor adventures like camping or tailgating. Number 4. Razer Griddle GGC2030M. Looking for the best features? Then consider this one. This portable griddle is perfect for your BBQ cookouts with friends and family. With its adjustable 25-inch griddle and dual burners, you'll have everything you need to whip up delicious meals all summer long. Plus, it's super easy to move around thanks to its maneuverable wheels, making it a breeze to navigate across different terrains in your backyard. Cleanup is a cinch too, thanks to the front access grease management system and concealed cup. Whether you're heading out for a camping trip or hosting a picnic, this griddle has you covered with its lightweight 1-pound cylinder. And when you need to keep your meals safe from the elements, the steel lid has got you covered. Number 3. Blackstone 1814. When it comes to the best convenient, family-friendly griddle, this is my top choice. This portable griddle is perfect for backyard barbecues or adventures in the great outdoors. From pancakes to burgers, it's got you covered for all your favorite foods. And guess what? It's super easy to carry around, so you can bring it wherever you go. Whether you're tailgating, camping, or just chilling out, this grill fits perfectly in your car trunk. Plus, with a spacious 17-inch cooking surface, you can cook up enough food for the whole family. Cleanup is a breeze too, thanks to the integrated grease tray that catches all the drips. And with the A-style burner, you can say goodbye to burnt or undercooked food. Every meal comes out perfectly cooked. Number 2. Royal Gourmet PD1301R. This buddy earns the title of the best reliable griddle among the options. This tabletop grill is perfect for small outdoor events like camping and tailgating. With sturdy feet for stability and fueled by a 20 pounds propane tank, it's ready to go wherever the adventure takes you. Plus, with 3 separately controlled burners and 25,500 BTU cooking power, you'll have plenty of heat to cook up your favorite meals. Guess what? The integrated piezo igniter makes starting it up a breeze. Just push a button and you're good to go. And with a spacious 316 square inch cooking surface, there's plenty of room to grill for the whole gang. Cleanup is a snap too, thanks to the removable grease cup and detachable griddle top. Number 1. Blackstone 1517. This stands out as my top pick for the best overall. With 470 square inches of cooking space, it's perfect for whipping up breakfast, lunch, and dinner favorites like eggs, pancakes, steak, and more. Say goodbye to your standard grill because this Blackstone griddle is a game changer. It's easy to use, easy to assemble, and features a battery-powered push-button ignition for hassle-free startup. No more dealing with kerosene or matches. Plus, it's super portable with foldable legs and industrial-strength caster wheels, so you can wheel it around your yard or take it camping. And hey, if you're not completely satisfied, this bunny griddle has your back with a satisfaction guarantee. Well, folks, that wraps up our journey through the best outdoor griddles of 2024. Whether you're a seasoned grill master or just getting started, there's a griddle out there for you. So go ahead and check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow anglers, and hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with all of our latest content, tips, and reviews. Happy grilling, everyone! And remember, good food is meant to be shared and enjoyed outdoors.